Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC. Now this NHRC was in news today, that is on 16th of July 2021, and that is why we are covering this topic. NHRC is also a separate chapter in your M. Lakshmikant Indian Polity book. So it becomes really important, doubly important, because it has been in the current affairs throughout this year. इस पूरे साल ये current affairs में रहा है NHRC because of the Bengal violence after the elections that took place in West Bengal. So that is why we are going to study this very seriously from the perspective of prelims. हम prelims के perspective से इसको काफी important तरीके से और seriously पढ़ने वाले हैं. तो मेक श्योर कि आप इसमें शॉर्ट नोट्स बना लें और शॉर्ट नोट्स के साथ साथ मेक श्योर कि आप इसको साथ साथ समझते भी रहें, क्योंकि साइड साइमल्टेनियसली इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस टॉपिक इट विल बिकम इजी फॉर यू टू रिवाइज इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, the notes of this topic will be uploaded on our Telegram channel. You can also refer to M. Lakshmikant Indian Polity book simultaneously while watching this lecture. ये lecture देखते वक्त आप M. Lakshmikant किताब को भी refer कर सकते हो simultaneously. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं आज का lecture without any delay. Now when we talk about NHRC, let us understand why it has been in news. Now NHRC committee, which was formed to investigate the complaints of post-poll violence in West Bengal, it has recommended that cases of heinous crimes should be transferred to Central Bureau of Investigation. NHRC committee जो कि बंगाल में इलेक्शंस के बाद के वायलेंस को जो समझ रही थी, कंप्लेंट्स जो आए थे उसको उस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी, उन्होंने कहा है कि जितने भी हीनियस क्राइम्स हुए जैसे कि रेप्स, मोलेस्टेशन, मर्डर, ये सब सीबीआई को भेज देने चाहिए, बिकॉज सीबीआई इज गोइंग टू व्यू दीज क्राइम्स एंड इन्वेस्टिगेट इनटू इट इम्पार्शियली विदाउट एनी पार्शियलिटी. So that was the news. So NHRC, it is the watchdog of human rights in the country. Country में जो human rights होते हैं ना, human rights means rights related to life, rights related to liberty, equality, dignity of the individual, which are guaranteed by Indian Constitution. Those are human rights. So NHRC is the watchdog. It's a guardian of human rights, and it is an independent statutory body. NHRC एक स्वतंत्र स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी है जिसको 1993 में एस्टैब्लिश किया गया था एज पर द प्रोविजंस ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्ट 1993. Now this act was later on amended in 2006. इस एक्ट को बाद में 2006 में अमेंड कर दिया गया. But you have to remember the year of establishment of NHRC and what kind of body is it? It is a statutory body. So NHRC, first thing that you need to remember is that it's the watchdog of human rights. हमारी कंट्री में ह्यूमन राइट्स मानव अधिकार जो हैं उनको कौन उनका वॉचडॉग है, कौन उनको बाहर से खड़े होकर देखता है, गाइड करता है, वो है NHRC. It was established in conformity with the Paris Principle. Paris Principle यानी कि these were the principles adopted for 2Ps. 2P means one P is protection, another is promotion. So to protect and promote human rights, this Paris Principle was adopted, and then in conformity with these principles, India established the NHRC. Now the question is for prelims, what are human rights? Prelims के लिए question आ जाता है कि ये human rights क्या होते हैं? So if we look at the definition of human rights, these are rights which are inherent to all human beings. तुम्हारी कंट्री में चाहे डेमोक्रेसी हो नहीं हो, बट ह्यूमन राइट्स हर कंट्री में हर इंसान के पास है. ह्यूमन राइट्स इज with everybody regardless of its race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, etc. Human right means right to life. Human right का मतलब क्या होता है? First thing that you have to understand is it means right to life, right to liberty, okay, and liberty and freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, right to work and education, and many more. These are human rights. Now there are many people trolling other YouTubers, other people on YouTube. कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जो फालतू टाइम वेस्ट करते रहते हैं बैठे बैठे, उनको और कोई काम नहीं है YouTube पे आकर बस कमेंट करना है रिगार्डलेस ऑफ क्या टॉपिक चल रहा है क्या नहीं. उनको ये समझ नहीं आता कि अगर सामने वाला अपने कुछ ओपिनियंस यूट्यूब पे व्यक्त कर रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल somebody is a health blogger or somebody is a fitness blogger, he or she is expressing his or her opinion or experiences based on certain food products, etc. There are many people who comment wasteful terms or abusive terms. They forget that everybody has their human rights. सबके पास अपने अपने human rights available हैं. Everybody has a right to freedom of opinion and expression, right to work and education, etc. Okay, then these are entitled to everyone without any discrimination. Now some people misuse these rights also by abusing, by trolling. कुछ लोग इन rights का ना गलत फायदा भी उठाते हैं. So let us understand the structure of the commission now. NHRC ना एक first of all you have to remember it's a statutory body. ये एक statutory body है. First thing. Second point is that it's a multi-member. It's a multi-member body which consists of a chairman, जिसमें एक chairman आ जाता है, and we have 7 other members. ठीक है? And out of these 7 members, 3 are ex officio members. What do you mean by the term ex officio? So ex officio members, they are persons who are members by virtue of some other office or position that they hold. मतलब for example, if I am a member of I am a member of Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, and I am also a member of NHRC, so I am an ex officio because I also hold some other position. मैंने और भी कोई position hold की हुई है, ठीक है, या की हुई थी past में, तो मैं ex officio हो गई, ठीक है. So these are ex officio members. Now president appoints the chairman. ये जो chairman है इसको कौन appoint करता है? He is, make this flow chart, it will be easy for you to revise later on. He is appointed by the president. So this chairman of NHRC is appointed by president, and also remember members of NHRC, they are also appointed on the recommendation of president. ठीक है, तो president appoint करता है किसके recommendation पे? प्राइम मिनिस्टर के recommendation पे. प्राइम मिनिस्टर के अंडर एक कमेटी होती है, वो नाम रेकमेंड करती है और उन रिकमेंडेशन के हिसाब से प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंटमेंट करता है. चेयरपर्सन एंड मेंबर्स ऑफ एनएचआरसी आर अपॉइंटेड फॉर 5 years, अंडरलाइन दिस, और टिल द एज ऑफ 70 विच एवर इज अर्लियर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 साल नहीं हुए बट 17 साल का एज हो गई है चेयरमैन की, तो फिर उसका टाइम पीरियड वहीं खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ दे कैन बी रिमूव्ड ओनली ऑन द चार्जेस ऑफ, अंडरलाइन ओनली, ऑन द चार्जेस ऑफ प्रूव्ड मिसबिहेवियर और इनकैपेसिटी, और इफ देयर इज एनी इंक्वायरी विच इज कंडक्टेड बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज ऑन द कंडक्ट ऑफ द चेयरमैन, देन he might be removed. Commission also has 5 specialized divisions. जैसे कि NGT के 4 ऑफिसेज और है ना रीजनल ऑफिसेज, ऐसी NHRC के भी 5 स्पेशलाइज्ड डिविजन्स हैं. लॉ डिवीजन, देन वी हैव द इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट, पुलिस पॉलिसी रिसर्च एंड प्रोग्राम डिवीजन, ट्रेनिंग डिवीजन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिवीजन. चेयरमैन और मेंबर्स जो हैं स्टेट कमीशन के, दे आर अपॉइंटेड बाय द गवर्नर. नाउ दिस इज द नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट, यहाँ पर ये हो गया आपका नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन. वी हैव द SHRC ऑल्सो, स्टेट्स ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन. तो मेंबर्स ऑफ स्टेट कमीशन आर अपॉइंटेड बाय गवर्नर, और किसके कंसल्टेशन पे? चीफ मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, स्पीकर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन इन स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, इनके रिकमेंडेशन पर गवर्नर अपॉइंट करता है SHRC के मिनिस्टर्स को. ठीक है. दैट इज वाई द NHRC हैज शिफ्टेड, आस्क्ड द केस टू बी शिफ्टेड टू CBI, ताकि किसी तरीके की पार्शियलिटी ना हो. Unacademy has launched Kitab Series. Kitab Series is an innovative course and will help in widening the horizon of learners for UPSC CSE. This series starts from today, that is 17th of July 2021. Here you will get value addition course which will cover discussion on 2 books per week. Books covered will be directly or indirectly related to UPSC syllabus. The course will benefit the learners especially for Indian society, essay, ethics, international relations, and the book analysis will be done by top educators of Unacademy. The Kitab series will enhance your thinking power. It will enhance your opinions. It will also make you understand the analytical aspect of what is going around you. The Kitab series will expand your learning power and will expand your thinking power as well, which is required in an IAS officer. You can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your subscription of Unacademy Plus. The links are given below in the description box. Take your subscription today and be a part of the Kitab series. बात करते हैं NHRC के functions and powers की. NHRC क्या करता है? जितने भी grievances हैं related to violation of human rights, all complaints, all petitions against for the violation of human rights. Somebody has violated human rights, so complaints regarding that, they are investigated by by NHRC. उनको कौन इन्वेस्टिगेट करता है? NHRC, but only after receiving a complaint or petition. It has the power to interfere in any judicial proceedings which involves allegation of violation of human rights. Supreme Court में, High Court में कोई भी ऐसी proceeding चल रही है जिसमें ऐसा कहा गया है कि human rights को violate किया गया, उसमें interfere करने की ताकत NHRC रखता है. It can visit any jail or any other institution under the control of state government to see the living conditions of inmates or jailmates, right? And it can also make recommendations if the conditions are not good. It can review the safeguards or safety protocols which are provided by the constitution or any law for protection of human rights. And the NHRC undertakes and promotes research also in the field of human rights. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है, ह्यूमन राइट्स के फील्ड में कोई रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट हो, पॉलिसी मेकिंग हो, उसमें भी NHRC का कंट्रीब्यूशन रहता है. So this was all about the National Human Rights Commission. ये था आपका NHRC. I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.